Google just leaked their biggest Pixel 11 feature live on stage, and they didn't even mean to do it. Look closely at the camera housing in this Google I/O background slide. That ring of light, that's Pixel Glow, and it's real. Google buried it in a background image. Classic Google move, but we caught it. Let's break this down. On the left, the full I/O stage, and on the right, the glow detail. So what actually is Pixel Glow? Think notification light, but wrapped around the entire camera module. Miss your old BlackBerry LED, your Sony Xperia Blink? This is that, but evolved and way more visible. The idea is simple. Phone face down on your desk, you still see your notifications glow from across the room. No need to touch it. The glow pulses gently, catching your eye even from afar. A brilliant, seamless design. Are you excited about Pixel Glow, or do you think it's a gimmick? Drop it in the comments right now. If this got you hyped, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the full Pixel 11 breakdown.